Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix TikTok shop not showing in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Understand the issue. First, open the TikTok app on your iPhone. If you don't see TikTok shop on your profile, homepage or video section, this can be due to region, app version or account settings. Step 2. Check your region and age. TikTok shop is only available in selected countries and for users 18 years or older. First, go to the profile, then menu, then settings, then account and confirm your details are correct. Step 3. Check internet and turn off VPN. Make sure your iPhone is connected to a stable internet connection. If you are using a VPN, turn it off. VPNs obtain hide TikTok shop features. Step 4. Update TikTok app. First, open the App Store, then search for TikTok and install the latest update. An older version may not support the TikTok shop. Step 5. Clear app cache. Go to the TikTok profile, then tap on menu, then go to settings and privacy, then cache and cellular data. Tap clear cache, then restart the app again. Step 6. Log out and log in again. Log out of your TikTok account completely, close the app, then reopen it and log back in to refresh account features. Step 7. Restart iPhone and check app again. Restart your iPhone and open the TikTok once more. TikTok shop should now appear in your account is eligible. And that's how you fix the TikTok shop not showing issue on an iPhone quickly and easily. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.